Some species of comb jellies can create 1,000 lights per second in a dazzling display of bioluminescence. Combs are actually the modified mouthparts of certain insects, like bees and wasps, used for gathering and processing food. These specialized organs are found in many different types of insects, from ants to beetles. In some species, the comb-like structure is used for defense, to deter predators from attacking the insect. But did you know that some insects use their combs to collect and process plant material, such as pollen and nectar? This is especially important for social insects, like bees and wasps, which rely on their combs to store food for their colonies. A single bee colony can store up to 60 pounds of honey in its comb, which is an impressive feat of engineering. Combs are also used by some insects for communication, like the dance-like movements of certain species of ants. But that's not the strangest part. Some insects use their combs to create complex structures, like intricate webs or even miniature sculptures. Imagine a bee creating a tiny piece of art using its comb. It's a truly remarkable sight. And then something unexpected happened. Scientists discovered that some combs are actually capable of self-healing. This means that if a comb is damaged, it can repair itself over time, which is a remarkable ability. But how does it work? Scientists have discovered that the comb's cells are able to regenerate and reform in response to damage. This process is still not fully understood, but it's clear that combs are incredibly resilient and adaptable. Combs are also used by some insects for navigation, like the use of visual cues to help find food or shelter. This is especially important for solitary insects, which don't have the same social structures as social insects like bees and wasps. In some species, the comb-like structure is used to create complex patterns and shapes, like the intricate patterns found on butterfly wings. But that's not the strangest part. Some insects use their combs to create sound, like the buzzing of a bee or the chirping of a cricket. This is achieved through the use of specialized cells in the comb, which are able to vibrate and produce sound waves. But what does this mean for us? The study of combs and their uses is not just fascinating, it's also incredibly important. Understanding how combs work and what they're used for can help us better appreciate the incredible diversity of insects on our planet. And it's not just about appreciation. The study of combs can also help us develop new technologies and materials. For example, scientists have developed materials that mimic the properties of combs, like their ability to self-heal and adapt. This has led to the development of new medical devices and technologies, which are changing the way we live and work. So if you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. And let me know in the comments what fascinates you most about combs and their uses. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content.